ready to head out for vacation this week, and I'm gonna get the cars ready to go. I was originally gonna take my truck out and have a good time in that, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the family vehicle. So I'm gonna get the bike rack off of here, get it switched over to the car, get it cleaned up, gassed up, and ready to go. All right, so here's my baby. I call this beauty Gandalf the White from Lord of the Rings. Maybe some of y'all know, some of y'all don't. I was originally gonna drive it, just like my project truck, my fun little vehicle that I work on and stuff like that. But I've been having a few issues with it, so I decided just to go ahead and stay on the safe side of things and use my wife's car, the family car. So you see me here breaking down the bike rack that I got for this season, and we're just gonna get it switched over to the other vehicle over here.
Let me help, Daddy.
Baby girl was outside with me and was wanting to help. She had already previously tried on the other vehicle, and I don't mind. She loves to be outside. She enjoys the sun just as much as I do. Always trying to learn something new and get into something. So it's such a joy to have her around, especially at this age. But you'll see my son here also, and he's such a huge help for me. Working outside, he works in the yard, he works on the cars with me, just whatever he can get his hands on. And so I love teaching him things as a young man, and hopefully he'll be able to do some of these things with his family someday. So here you just see me instructing him on how to get it tightened up here and fit it so that we can be ready to go and have a safe ride down the road. So he's getting that tightened down. We should be just about good to go here, and then I'm going to be moving on. Getting ready to get this joker cleaned up. And you'll see here, wasn't a whole lot going on in the car, but you'll see just some loose items that they have. It's better than it usually is. You see a potty back here because we've got our baby girl. She's potty training, and we just take the potty with us if she doesn't feel comfortable with certain toilets or things like that. But other than that, it was just some small items in here, shoes and things, some of my wife's makeup equipment that she uses, some of her business equipment and stuff like that. So we're gonna get that all cleaned out and then see what else we can get done on it. Working at the car wash. Oh, now we are at the car wash, getting it all washed up. I'm here sometimes, the car wash, multiple times a week. I like to try to keep the vehicles clean on the outside and inside. It's just something that I practice. I believe that whatever God gives you, you ought to take care of it well, whether it's the newest thing or the oldest thing. So I'm just pulling out the mats, getting the floor prep for vacuuming, and I'm looking at these thresholds, that's probably something I'm going to take care of. Actually, I do take care of this a little later. It's not in the video. But getting that old salt and stuff like that out of the thresholds. But other than that, the car's not in bad shape. We actually had just come back from a short trip, maybe a week or two prior to this. And so we had already done some cleaning to the vehicle. But I'm just freshening it up, getting it ready for the next couple of days here. Got it vacuumed out for the most part. I didn't record that part because it was a scorcher. It was really hot out, and I was just trying to hurry up and get out of there, to be completely honest. I just wanted to get it over and done with and down the road.
Look at this. Y'all look at this. It only took me $15.47 to fill up.
That's all it took. Power plant. My wife actually already filled up the tank or whatever, so I gotta give her money back. It would be nice though. $15.47. That'd be all right with me. So I'm on to the final step of preparation. We got it all cleaned up and everything. Now we're just gonna focus on getting everything loaded up so we can head out. And we're gonna be at the beach and doing some other outside activities. So I'll be grabbing a few of our chairs. I have like a beach tent type thing. We're gonna have our bikes as well. So I've got an air compressor underneath. Some of my tools and stuff are already actually loaded in there underneath. Some other air pumps and equipment for the bikes and things like that. And then we get our bags and all of our other accessories in here and get ready to head out. Baby girl also wanted to help out during this, but I kind of had to bribe her to keep her safe on this part. So I bribed her with some candy. So she's back inside while we get everything tidied up. And just like that, we're gonna be good to go. Time to hit the road. See you soon.